So how can you combine the iPad and a laptop? Now, if your laptop is a Mac computer, like a, MacBook, then it's much simpler, obviously, because it's part of the Apple ecosystem where you can enable some iCloud synchronization or even some features like handoff where you start using one app on your laptop and you continue using it on your iPad or the other way around. Obviously, there's also the AirDrop file sharing and plenty of features if you are using the Apple ecosystem like the iPad and a MacBook laptop. But if you're using Windows, then it's also possible to sync or connect it in some other ways. For example, a lot of people use the cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox to share the files in between, right? So that's like one way of syncing the files and combining it together. For example, if you're using Dropbox or Google Drive on your laptop, you might as well just integrate it into your iPad by downloading the app or integrating it directly into the Files app. And there you can see that we have another section there and everything, just gets synced right away. So that's like one option. However, as I say, it depends on what exactly you mean. If you need to use the iPad as an external monitor, then that's a completely different story. And it's as well simpler if you have a Mac computer compared to Windows laptop. So as you can see, the topic is really broad and I just really need to know what exactly you mean by that. But these were the main things which crossed my mind, so let me know below in the comments if you have any specific idea or something that you would want me to make a video about. Make sure you subscribe for it. I publish a lot of tutorials and guides like this one, so let me know about that. Thanks a lot, and I will catch you later in the next videos.